Hi, I am your Tally Guru Abhijit Joshi, and this is Skilled Prime User, a unique course designed to train you on the use of Tally Prime. In the last video lesson, we learned how to pass an entry for discount given to our customer in Tally Prime. In this video lesson, we will enter transaction number 15, where we will receive discount from our supplier. On 2nd June 2023, we received a discount of 600 from Lalu Milk Mart. We will first check the ledger of Lalu Milk Mart. To do so, we will select Display More Reports, then Account Books, and then Ledger. We will then select the ledger of Lalu Milk Mart. We will then click on Period and press Space Bar and enter in the From and To. The closing balance of the ledger is 6,080 on the credit side. This means that we have to pay Lalu Milk Mart 6,080. The closing balance is on the credit side, and we are getting a discount of 600. Now we will have to debit the ledger of Lalu Milk Mart by 600 in order to decrease this closing balance. To do so, we will pass a journal voucher. We will now click on the Go To button. Now in Go To we will select Create Voucher. The current voucher type is Journal, and this is our third entry. Here we have received discount, and for that we are happy and full of joy. So we will credit the ledger of discount received and debit the ledger of Lalu Milk Mart. Discount received is an income, and according to the golden rule for nominal accounts, all income accounts are credited. So we will credit the ledger of discount received and debit the ledger of Lalu Milk Mart. The prompt here is debit, and so we will select the ledger of Lalu Milk Mart. Note that the closing balance is 6,080 credit. We have received a discount of 600. We will type the amount and press Enter. Here we will select Against Reference, since we will adjust this discount against a particular invoice. On pressing Enter, we will get a list of all outstanding payable invoices of Lalu Milk Mart. We will select the first invoice and press Enter. The amount to be adjusted is 600 debit. The closing balance has now decreased to 5,480 credit. We will now credit the discount received. To create the ledger, we will select Create. We will type the ledger name Discount Received. We will group this ledger under Indirect Income. We will now accept to create the ledger. The discount received will be credit 600. We will now press Enter. We will keep the narration blank and accept the voucher. We will now press Escape twice to come back to the ledger. The closing balance is 6,480 on the credit side, which means that we have to pay Lalu Milk Mart 6,480. We will now add the running totals to this report. To do so, we will click on the Configure button and set Show Running Balance to Yes. We will then press Ctrl A to accept the configurations. We can now see that we received an invoice of 4,000. So the closing balance was 4,000 credit. Then we received another invoice of 5,000. So the balance was 9,000 credit. Then we made a payment of 3,000. So the balance decreased to 6,000. Next we purchased goods worth 100. So the balance became 6,100. Then we rejected goods worth 20. And so the balance payable was then 6,080. And finally, we got a discount of 600. And so the closing balance decreased to 5,480. The closing balance is credit. That means we have to pay Lalu Milk Mart 5,480. We will now quickly revise all the voucher types we have used in Tally Prime. Goods purchased is purchase. Goods sold is sales. Goods sold, then returned credit note. Purchased goods when returned, debit note. Cash received, check received, receipt. Cash given, check given, payment. Cash to bank, bank to cash, bank to bank. Contra, and all others, journal. It's important to note that while all vouchers can be entered using the journal voucher type, they should ideally be posted under their respective voucher types for clarity and accurate reporting. As explained earlier, usually all the above 7 voucher types have movement of goods or movement of money. And whenever adjustment is required, we use the journal voucher type. Before entering a journal, we have to make sure that the entered voucher does not belong to the above 7 voucher types. In the next video lesson, we will learn how to use 2 different units for a single stock item. For example, mangoes can be measured in both kilograms and numbers. To view the video lesson, you may scan the QR code on page number 61. Thank you.